At New York Presbyterian, we have women's care that actually cares. From routine checkups to high-risk obstetrics, we offer health services for all stages of womanhood, like advancing minimally invasive surgery to make it more minimal, to help you recover faster. Because your health is as important to us as it is to you. Learn more at nyc.org/women. Stay amazing. New York Presbyterian.
At Amazon, over 750,000 hourly employees have access to free technical training, moving them into higher-paying, highly skilled jobs.
It's an opportunity to build a new career from the ground up.
At Amazon, today is just the start, and tomorrow is what you make of it.
Power off.
Honestly, nothing's better than foot.
That one fit there.
Well, we were thinking he's got the silver, but he got the van today. We didn't even sit here, but we didn't know you had the van.
Get the.
Pulled it earlier, it's nice now actually. Pretty hot.